Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Toyota remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. We do this by sliding over this catch here, which releases the fob out the bottom, like so. Now, using the blade, you can use it as a tool to split the case to gain access to the battery. See here, just right at the very bottom of the tip, it's a lot thinner, so you can use this as the tool to open the case. So just in here, just there's an indentation where it's just the right size to put the blade in, give it a twist, and it cracks open the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. Just get a small screwdriver and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2450, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case and we just line it all up and we just click it back in place. And we put the blade back into the bottom. And there you go, it's all done.